Okay, Arish, come here. So, Arish, today our topic is GK quiz, and we are going to ask some questions about GK, and you will give the answer. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So, first question for you: or International Day of Biodiversity celebrated?
22 May.
Okay, Madhav. Madhav, if we live in Assam, then we will speak,
Asami.
and if we are living in Manipur, then we will speak.
My answer is Manipuri.
Very good. Nakshita. Nakshita, bete, which planet is nearest of the Earth?
Venus.
And what is the name of our country?
India.
Very good. Harsh. The 9th Global Technology Summit 2025 held in which place?
New Delhi.
Gunjan. Where is the International Court of Justice located?
Netherlands.
In which country will the 2024 Summer Olympics be held?
France.
Go. But this galaxy is nearest to the Milky Way.
Andromeda.
And the most abundant gas in the atmosphere?
Nitrogen.
Very good. Kaushik. Kaushik, better tell me which is the world highest waterfall?
Angel.
And which is the world tallest tower?
Burj Khalifa.
Okay. Dishan. Which is the world largest wall?
Great Wall of China.
Okay. And which is world tallest statue?
Statue of Unity.
Very good. Manvi. Manvi, tell me which country has only 40 minutes of night?
Norway.
Okay. Abbas, come here. So Abbas, you will tell me Zakir Hussain related to which musical instrument?
Tabla.
And in which creative art of Sonal Man Singh distinguished?
Dance.
Okay. So Pradyuman, your first question is which is the longest freshwater lake in India?
Buller Lake.
Yes. Which plateau known as the Deccan Plateau?
Karnataka Plateau.
Okay. Okay, Rakshit, bete come here. So Rakshit, today our topic is GK quiz, and I am going to ask you some questions based on GK. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So first question is for you. Who is the first citizen of India?
President.
What is the capital city of Canada?
Ottawa.
Okay, good. Abhyanshu. Abhyanshu, tell me who was the first president of India?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
And who is known as the father of Indian Constitution?
B.R. Ambedkar.
Very good. Asjad. Bete, what is the body largest organ?
My answer is skin.
And how many chambers does the human heart have?
My answer is 4.
Okay. Vedita. Which is the harvest festival of Kerala that associated with boat race?
My answer is Onam.
Okay, good. In which country is white lion found?
My answer is South Africa.
Very good. Tasbia. Tasbia bete, who wrote the national anthem of India and Bangladesh?
My answer is Rabindranath Tagore.
Very good. And what is the national song of India?
My answer is Vande Mataram.
Very good. Raghupal. Raghu bete, which planet is known as the red planet?
Mars.
And which river flows through the city of Kolkata?
Hooghly.
Okay, Hooghly. Ayush. Who invented the radio?
Marconi.
Yes. Or who invented the mobile phone?
Martin Cooper.
Very good. Ayaz. Which gas is the most abundant in Earth atmosphere?
Nitrogen 78%.
Very good. And largest ocean in the world?
Pacific Ocean.
Okay, good. Okay, Duggu. Duggu, tell me what is the national symbol of India?
My answer is Ashok Chakra.
And from where is the national symbol of India taken?
From Ashok Lion Pillars in Sarnath.
Very good. Okay, Rishabh, come here. So Rishabh, today our topic is GK quiz, and I am going to ask you some questions based on GK. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
First question is for you. What do we call Parliament of Japan?
Diet.
Who is the father of Indian hockey?
Major Dhyan Chand.
Go, Aryan. Aryan, tell me, this great biologist invented the crystallograph.
J.C. Bose.
That of digestion is done.
Stomach.
Okay, Kaka. Kaka, tell me the moon moves around the earth in Arushi. Arushi, will you tell me in which state is Narendra Modi Stadium situated?
Gujarat.
How long does Uranus take to revolve around the sun?
84 years.
Okay, good. Simran. Simran, will you tell me how many letters are there in English alphabet?
26.
And how many days are there in a week?
7.
Okay. Divya. Women T20 World Cup 2024 won by which team?
New Zealand.
Which country hosts G20 Summit 2025?
South Africa.
Okay, Aradhya. What is the national motto of India?
Satyamev Jayate.
On which river bank is Goa located?
Diamond.
Okay, good. Mayank. Who is the father of our nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Which is the most sensitive organ in our body?
Skin.
Okay. Lovely. An ugly old woman.
Hedge.
Okay, Piyush. The sixth BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held in which country?
Thailand.
Where Hindu college established in 1793?
Banaras.
Okay, Kashish. Which country hosts AI Action Summit?
France.
Who was second Vice President of India?
Zakir Hussain.
How many? Yash. How many tribes are there in India?
700 plus.
Bird with penguin like coloring and a colorful beak.
Puffin.
Okay, once come here. The official residence of the President of America, Washington DC.
White House.
Okay, Harshita bete come here. So Harshita, today our topic is GK quiz, and I am going to ask you some question based on GK. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So first question is for you. In which country is blue apple found?
My answer is Japan.
And which is the national animal of Sri Lanka?
My answer is elephant.
Okay, good. Yug, bete tell me the largest country in the world according to area.
My answer is Russia.
Very good. And which state is known as the Black City of India?
My answer is Kolkata.
Okay, good. Dibanshu, which Indian city known as the City of Lakes?
My answer is Udaipur.
And where is the Gateway of India located?
My answer is Mumbai.
Very good. Shiva, tell me which Indian cricketer is a popular known as Haryana Hurricane?
My answer is Kapil Dev.
Very good. Which country will host the 2025 Summer Olympic Games?
My answer is USA.
Okay, good. Dev, where do we get a lot of things?
My answer is Margaret.
Where do we deposit our money?
My answer is bank.
Okay. Vasu, in which year C.V. Raman won the Nobel Prize in Physics?
My answer is 1930.
When is Independence Day celebrated in India?
15 August.
Okay. Diwakar, which Indian state is known for tea production?
My answer is Assam.
Which ocean lies off the south of India?
My answer is Indian Ocean.
Okay. Udit, India's rank globally in total forest area?
My answer is 9.
Okay. Which Indian state is Sundarban Delta located?
My answer is West Bengal.
Okay. Aryan, 5th Khelo India University Games will be held
My answer is Rajasthan.
and United National Day is observed. Which date?
My answer is 24 October.
Okay. Okay, Shivi, come here. Shivi, tell me which is the most cleanest city in India?
My answer is Indore.
And where was the first post office opened in India?
My answer is Kolkata.
Okay, Priya. Who is known as the father of the nation?
My answer is Mahatma Gandhi.
When was the Indian National Congress founded?
In 1885.
Okay, Kanika. Which animal has 25,000 teeth?
My answer is snail.
Which animal smells with tongue?
My answer is snake.
Okay, Manvi. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to USA?
My answer is France.
And what is the capital of France?
My answer is Paris.
Okay. Damni. Which team won ICC Champions Trophy 2025?
My answer is India.
9th Asian Winter Games held in which country?
My answer is China.
Tell me who is the first female president of Nepal?
My answer is Vidya Devi Bhandari.
Very good. Who is known as the father of Hindi theatre?
My answer is Bhartendra Harishchandra.
Very good. Vanshu, in which Indian state the Harappa site Dholavira has been discovered?
My answer is Gujarat.
And what heats the water in the hot spring?
My answer is magma.
Okay, good. Now Ansh, Saharavati project in which state?
My answer is Karnataka.
Which satellite helps to telecast TV networks all over the India?
My answer is Insect Ivy.
Very good, Insect IB. Yash, who is the winner of European Grand Prix?
My answer is Elip Masa.
And first satellite to be placed in orbit by India made launch vehicle SLV-3.
My answer is Rohini.
Very good, Tarun. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun?
My answer is Japan.
And which city is known as the Big Apple?
My answer is New York City.
Okay. Abhi, which country has the largest coastline in the world?
My answer is Canada.
And the Tropic of Cancer passed through how many Indian states?
My answer is 8.
Okay, Shagun. Most medals at Paris Olympic 2024.
My answer is USA.
And in which year was the first edition of IPL held?
My answer is 2008.
Okay. Gaurav, tell me which sea is the saltiest large water body on earth?
My answer is Dead Sea.
And which country is both in Europe and Asia?
My answer is Turkey.
Okay. Okay, Aksh. Who discovered hydrogen?
My answer is Henry Cavendish.
Very good. Which metal is found in chlorophyll?
My answer is magnesium.
Okay, very good.